Happy morning, children. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the third chapter algebra. Dear children, take your third chapter note and write it down. Children, last class we learned graph, isn't it? Then graph one model for a test portion, so that one model enough. Okay, that example one question and exercise 3.10 first question. Okay, then 4 subdivisions are there. That question you study. Then afterwards your exam portion is lesson 1, 2, and then 7 lesson, and then 5th lesson first 5 exercise. Okay, then corresponding one words also you study, book interior, and then book inside one words also you study. Okay, then now we are going to see example 3.31. Factorize x plus y the whole square plus 9 into x plus y plus 20. Okay, then factorize x plus y the whole square. Already we learned a square plus 9a plus 20, like that we studied, isn't it? One variable only they give. But here two variables are given. Then instead of a, here what is given? X plus y. Okay. So shall we substitute here instead of x plus y, we have to substitute a or b or any letters, any variable we can take. Okay. Then afterwards ordinary or factorization method we can do. Okay, solution. Let x plus y I am taking here a, or b also you can take. Okay, a. I took a. Then we get x plus y place we have to substitute a. Okay, a square plus 9 into x plus y. X plus y means already we took a, isn't it? A plus what? 20. And equal to this one, equal to this question. And then this one compare it. This is of the form, which form? Ax square plus bx plus c. That form, isn't it? Ax square plus bx plus c, that form. Okay, this is the quadratic equations. Okay, so this quadratic equations, then how we will find out the factors? How we can find? Suppose here 25 given means then square is there, isn't it? Then a plus b the whole square form, like that in the formula method we can do. But here 20 is given, so that method we cannot apply here. Okay, then suppose here 25 is given, that method possible means then formula method also you can apply. Okay, that is your wish. Here a square, what's the coefficient of a square? 1, isn't it? What is meant by coefficient? Then product of this variable. Okay, product of this variable. Here which is the a square is the variable. Here which is the number? 1, isn't it? 1 into a square. Which is the coefficient? 1 is the coefficient. That's the coefficient. Don't confuse it. Suppose here what's the degree of this equation? What's the degree of this polynomial? 2. 2 is the degree. Okay. But our question is factorize. Then a square, what's the coefficient? 1, isn't it? This 1 into this constant we have to multiply. 1 into 20 is 20. Okay. Product is 20. Then sum is 9. What are the numbers you find? Shall we find what are the numbers it will come? Suppose here 1 into 20 means then product 20 we will get, but we won't get this sum. Okay. Then which number is possible? You say 5 fours are 20. Shall we write? Then 5 fours are 20. Everything positive, then no problem. Then 5 fours are 20. And then this to add it 5 plus 4 is 9. Sum also we got. Okay. So, we split the middle term as 5a and 4a. Okay, split the middle term only we have to split. So, a square plus 5a plus 4a plus 20. Okay, first two term compare it. This two term you should take it, which is common. This two term a is common. Very good. A is common. Then remaining a plus this a we took outside, isn't it? Remaining 5 is there. Then next two term we should take it, which is common. 4 is common, isn't it? Then here 20 means 4 into 5. We can write 4 common, we can take outside. Then a plus 5. A plus 5. Then equal to, here this is one term, this one inside the bracket, which is common here. A plus 5 is common. A plus 5. Remaining a plus 4 is the answer. Okay. A plus 4 we got. But our question is, what's the question? X plus y the whole square. Okay. So, then in between here, instead of a, we have to substitute x plus y. Okay. Shall we substitute? And then put x plus y. Put a is equal to x plus y. Understood? A is equal to x plus y we have to take. Okay. A place we have to substitute, which we have to put x plus y. Then we get what we will get? And then x plus y plus 5 into x plus y. Okay, a place we have to substitute x plus y plus 4. Am I correct? Then this answer we got, isn't it? But our we need answer is x plus y, the whole square. Like that we got, isn't it? Instead of then a, we have to substitute x plus y. Okay. Then x plus y, if a substitute means, then we will get this two factors. Therefore, the factors are, okay. Factors are, we write the answer. Otherwise, write this question. Therefore, answer is equal to x plus y plus 5 into x plus y plus 4. That's the answer. I understood how many factors? Two factors we got. If you multiply these two, the same question only you will get. Okay? Don't confuse it. Have you understood this one? X plus y means for some difficult for you. Okay, so only we are then starting itself we took x plus y, we took a. Instead of x plus y, a substitute means very easy. Then we will get factors. Okay, then afterwards a, instead of a we have to substitute x plus y means then we will get the answer. Okay. Next one, exercise 3.6, third sum. Factorize the following. Third subdivision. Square root of 5a square plus 2a minus 3 root 5. Okay. Then remaining afterwards you can see. First one, third subdivision. Root 5a square plus 2a minus 3 root 5. Okay. This is equal to, here what's the coefficient of a square? Root 5, isn't it? What's the square? And then a square coefficient is what? Root 5. This root 5, this coefficient and this constant, we have to multiply. Okay, these two we have to multiply. And coefficient of a square is root 5, isn't it? Shall we multiply root 5 into minus 3 root 5. Okay, minus 3 root 5 into root 5 and multiply these two and equal to minus 3 into root 5 into root 5 is, you know very well, root 5 into root 5 is 5, isn't it? Into 5. Then equal to minus 15. Okay, product is this minus 50. Okay, sum is what? 2, 2. Then what are the numbers we have to find? Okay, then product is minus 15, then sum 2. What are the numbers that will come? Same, then product is minus 15. 5 3s are what? Minus 15, isn't it? Minus we won't get. 5 3s are 15 we will get, isn't it? Then 5 3s are 15, but we need minus here. So here, but here sum is positive, isn't it? So which number we have to take? A negative number, and then smallest number we have to take a negative. Okay, minus we have to take. I mean, suppose here sum is minus means, and then greatest number we have to take minus. Okay, don't confuse it. And then we have to split. Okay, we split the middle term as 5a and minus 3a. Okay, shall we write here root 5a square, then plus 5a minus 3a, then this minus 3 root 5. Okay, then equal to, first two terms should take it which is common here. Here root 5 is there, but here 5 is there. 5 we can written as root 5 into root 5, isn't it? 5 means what? Already we know here 5 means what we can write, root 5 into root 5 is 5, isn't it? So here root 5 common we can take outside. Okay, then remaining a also we can take outside. Have understood? Root 5 a also we can take outside. Okay, remaining is a plus here 1 root 5 we took outside, isn't it? Remaining 1 root 5 is there, root 5, and only root 5a into root 5 is what? 5a. Okay, next to term which is common, minus 3a, minus 3 is common, isn't it? Minus 3 is common. Remaining is a plus 3 we took outside, isn't it? Then root 5. Then inside the bracket what is given? Here a plus root 5, here also a plus root 5, that common a plus root 5 we take outside. Then afterwards remaining outside what is given? Root 5a minus 3. Okay, then how many factors we got? 2 factors, isn't it? Therefore answer is, what are the factors? Answer is equal to a plus root 5 into root 5a, or a into root 5. Okay, root 5a minus 3. Any doubt? Have you understood this one? Don't confuse it. Root 5 at once, I don't know anything, don't think like that. Okay, root 5 into root 5 is 15, 5 we can write. Okay, then 3 into 5 is 15. Okay, product is minus 15, sum is 2. And then what are the numbers? You find out and find out the answers. Okay, done? And fourth subdivision is a power 4 minus 3a square plus 2. Okay, then equal to, here a power 4 is given, isn't it? So how many factors we will get? For 4 factors we will get, isn't it? Then this one also a power 4, what's the coefficient you say? Then 1, isn't it? This 1 and 2 multiply. Multiply means 2 we will get. Product is 2, sum is minus 3. What are the numbers we have to find? Okay, what are the numbers it will come? Then 1, 2 and 1. 2 into 1 is 2, isn't it? But we need what? Here minus, sum is minus 3 we need. Okay, so what to do? Both factors we have to put the minus. Okay, correct? Minus 2 into minus 1 is what? 2. Product is, this 2 multiply means then we will get 2. This 2 add it, minus 3 we will get. Okay, then shall we split the middle term? Middle term as minus 2a minus a. Okay, then a power 4, then minus 2, a not here, here a square is there, so we have to write a square. Okay, Middle term is a square. So we have to write minus 2a square, then minus 1a. 1a means a. Okay. Then plus 2. First two term you should take in, which is common. A square is common, isn't it? A square common, remaining a square is there. 2a we took outside, remaining 2a is there. A square is there. Minus a square we took outside, then remaining 2 is there. Then close it. Next two term you should take it, which is common. Here minus a is minus a not. Here 1 is there, here also 1 is there, isn't it? So which is common? Then 1 is common, isn't it? 1 only common, no other term here. Suppose here 2 is there, means 2 common we can take outside. Then I shall take minus 1. Then remaining is same. Remaining, sorry, here a square. A square minus 2a square, here minus a square. Then only you will get what? Minus 3a square. Okay, this is a square. Then from here 1 is common, minus 1. Then remaining what? A square minus 2. Minus 2 means then minus we took outside. Then only we will get what? Minus into minus is plus. Okay. Then inside the bracket, what is which value we got? A square minus 2, isn't it? That one common you should take outside. Then remaining outside, what is there? A square minus 1. A square minus 1. Then equal to, here a square minus 2. This one a square minus 2. Any here powers are then? No, isn't it? Then here a square minus 1. This one we can write what? 1 square we can write. Okay. So this one we cannot convert anything. So a square minus 2, like that you should write it. Then remaining, this one we can write a square minus b square form. Okay. I means 1 is there. So we can write 1 square. 1 square means also 1 is 1. Okay. So since we have to use here a square minus b square, already you know this formula, a plus b into a minus b, isn't it? Okay, that formula we can apply here. Then you say instead of a is there, instead of b 1 is there. Okay, so a plus b means a plus 1 into a minus b. A minus b means a minus 1. This expansion a square minus b square form. This expansion and this factors we have to write. Okay, have understood? Here no powers. Suppose here what 4 is given means, then we can write what? 2 square. That means a plus 2 into a minus 2 we can write. But here we cannot split, isn't it? No powers. So like this you write the answer. Therefore answer is equal to a square minus 2 into a plus 1 into a minus 1 is the answer. Okay. Next we are going to say a fifth subdivision, 8m cube minus 2m square n minus 15m n square. Okay. Here first you check it, any common we can take outside. Here 8 is there, here 2 is there, both also 2 common we can take. But here 3 into 5 is there, isn't it? So here no 2. So we cannot take common outside any numbers. Then the remaining you check it, m, very good. Here m is there, here m is there, here also m. M shall we take outside? M common we can take outside. Okay. Remaining is then 8m square. Okay, 1m we took outside. Here remaining 2m n. 2m n. Here also m we took outside. Then minus 15n square. Okay, minus 15n square. And equal to m into here 8m square minus 2mn. Okay. Then here m square, what's the coefficient? 8, isn't it? This 8 and minus 15 multiply. Okay, minus 15 into 8 is 5 8s are what? 40, isn't it? Then 5 are 40, 4 balance, 180 is 820 we will get, isn't it? But 8 into minus 15 is minus 120. Then product is minus 120. Sum this minus 2. What are the numbers you find out? Okay, then product is minus 120, sum minus 2. Then which numbers we can find here? 12 and 10 shall we take? 12 into 10 is 120. But here we need minus, isn't it? So, and then sum these two add means then we will get, we need minus 2. Okay, then 12 into 10, then we will get 120. But minus we need. Sum is minus we need. So, here big number we have to write minus. We have to take minus. Okay. Minus 12, then plus 10. Then split the middle term as minus 12 mn plus 10 mn. Okay. Then shall we write 8 m square minus 12 mn, then plus 10 mn minus 15 n square, minus 15 n square. Then equal to m into. Okay, then first two term we should take it, which is common here. M is common. Then here 8 into 2. This one 2 into 4. We can write here 3 into 4. 4 common shall we take outside 4 m. Remaining 2 m. Okay, remaining here. This 2 multiplied 4 into 2 is 8. M into m is m square. Okay. Then here also 4 m we took outside, isn't it? Remaining 3 is there. 4 into 3 is 12. Then remaining 3 is there, 3n. Okay. Then here which is common, we can take plus which one here 5 is 2 into 5. Here this is 3 into 5. 5 is common, we can take, isn't it? 5 n also common. Remaining which one? 2 m, isn't it? 2 m. That means this n we took outside 2 m. Then minus. Then 5 we took, isn't it? Took outside. Remaining what? 3 n. Any doubt? Then close the bracket. Already here open the bracket. Now this bracket you closed here. Okay. Then equal to m into and then which is common, this 2m minus 3n is common. Then remaining outside what is there? 4m plus 5n. 4m plus 5n. Okay, close this bracket. This 2 which is common, m is common. So we can write what? M into 2m minus 3n, then into 4m plus 5n. Okay. Therefore answer is, what's the answer we can write? Then m into factors. What are the factors? M into what? 2m minus 3n into 4m plus 5n. If you multiply this to 3, then we will get this question. Have you understood? Then m cube means how many factors we will get? 3 factors. Then m into this one, these 2 factors. Okay, and these are the factors. Any doubt? Have you understood? Don't confuse it. First of all, what is which is common? You check it. Okay, which is common. Afterwards, you find out and then form the equation and find the answers. Factors you find out. Have you understood? Any doubt? Next, sixth subdivision is 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 2 divided by xy. 2 divided by xy. And equal to, here 1 by x square we have to write here. Then 2 divided by xy, we can arrange in the middle. Okay, 2 by xy plus 1 by y square. 1 by y square. Like this we can write it. Now you check it this on. 1 by first term is here 1 by x square. Last term also 1 by y square. Okay. And this is of the form a plus b the whole square form. Maybe here x square is there, here also power is there. So shall we check this one? Then this one we can write what? 1 by x the whole square. Shall we write? Plus last term also we have to write 1 by y the whole square. Shall we write like this? 1 by y the whole square means then 1 square. 1 square means 1. 1 divided by y square. Okay. Then this one we can write what? 2 into and then a. A means 1 by x. B means what? 1 by y. Shall we write? That means we can write what? 2 into 1 is 2. Then divided by x into y is xy. Okay. Then this is of the form. Which form? Same. Then a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square, isn't it? A plus b the whole square. Here a means a is equal to, since a is equal to 1 by x, b is equal to 1 by y, isn't it? So we can write which form this one? A plus b the whole square. That means a means 1 by x plus b means 1 by y the whole square. Okay, shall we write? Therefore our answer is which one? 1 by x plus 1 by y the whole square. So 2 times. Then how many factors we got? 1 by x plus 1 by y the whole square. That means 1 by x plus 1 by y into 1 by x plus 1 by y. 2 factors we got, isn't it? Therefore answer is equal to then 1 by x plus 1 by y the whole square. This is the answer. Okay. Have you understood the factorization? Have you understood any doubt? And then factorization method also you can do, but here this one which form is given, and then formula method is given. The formula form is given, so directly I wrote in the formula. Okay, formula and find the answers. Otherwise that method also you can follow. Okay, have you understood any doubt? Here better to do formula method. Okay, this one important sum. Then everything important sums, be careful and study. Okay. Next, note your homework. Factorize the following first 2 subdivision for your homework. Okay. Then here first question you will check it. Here p minus q the whole square minus 6 into p minus q minus 16. Okay. Here p minus q, here also p minus q is given. Okay. So this is which model? Example 3.31 model. Example 3.31. And there x plus y the whole square we did. Here p minus q. Okay, let we have to take. Let p minus q is equal to a or p or any letters. X also you can take. Okay, have you understood? P minus q is equal to x, you take it. Okay. X, that means we can write what? X square minus 6x minus 16. Like that you write it. And then 2 factors you will get. Then x place, last x place we have to substitute p minus q. That's all. Okay. This one you know, second model. Okay, already we did this model. Here what's the coefficient, and this coefficient and minus 24 multiply, then and adding 10, and then we need here minus 2 plus 2. Okay, then what are the numbers you find, what are the factors you find? Then 2 factors we will get. Okay, here also 2 factors, here also 2 factors we will get. Have you understood any doubt? Factorization very important. Be careful. No other way. Don't skip this one. Okay, factorization now itself you thorough. No other way. Okay, then only next year easy for you. Okay, have you understood? Any doubt? Thank you, students. Have a nice day.